We got household items. We starting off small. In this cup right here, as you can see, we got a little barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, and a little bit of jelly for some sweetness. And then on top of that, you know, everybody nowadays like to add a little kick to something. You know, you gotta have a kick nowadays. If you don't got a kick, you ain't gonna bring in no audience. You feel me? We gonna add in a little jalapeno.
Why this nigga tripping, bro?
Yeah, he hella, I don't know.
Who eating that shit?
He is.
We gonna add it. Sorry, my fault. I got parched throat. So we gonna add in a little jalapeno with a little bit of tad jalapeno juice, just to add a little kick in there. You feel me? Just to add a little kick. Then you gonna stir it all together. Get it all nice and mixed in, and get it all nice and mixed in. Get it all nice and mixed in. See right here, now we got a now we got a household.
Oh, shit.
Now we got a little household item. You feel me? This right here is going for thousands and thousands of dollars right now. Thousands and thousands of dollars. This right here, nobody got this sauce. This is a one-of-a-kind sauce right here. So, you know, we just gonna take a little bit of it. We just gonna take a little bit of it. We just gonna see what it tastes like. Mine, the taste kind of tangy because of the barbecue sauce. But that's the far right now. That's episode 1. I had episode 2 for y'all coming soon. God damn.